The Joint Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur, Ramananda Nomaikakpam, has sent a written intimation to Election Commission of India ECI Secretary Madhusudan Gupta, requesting for repoll in 6 polling stations of the Inner Manipur Parliamentary constituency. In the letter, the Joint Chief Electoral Officer cited eruption of mob violence and several instances of destruction of electronic voting machines EVMs, VVPAT, among others at Moirang Kampu Sajeb Upper Primary School polling station number 3/11 in Kurai constituency, Khoman Zone 4 polling station number 5/31 in Tongju constituency, Iroisemba Upper Primary School Eastern Wing polling station number 10/1, 10/6, 10/7 and Kaidim Makhalekai polling station number 18/22. Notably, in Moirang Kampu Sajeb Upper Primary School, mobs set on fire EVM, VVPAT and poll-related documents after an elderly man was injured in firing by armed miscreants. In the 3 polling stations recommended for repoll, the CEO cited mob violence which resulted in destruction of EVMs. In Kaidim Makhalekai polling station, the CEO cited poll disruption after a group of unidentified persons casted 61 votes forcefully.